Updating a laptop, all right, is an easy step. Okay, just involve few clicks. And here I'm using a laptop that functions with Windows 11. All right, if you have Windows 10 or older version, you can still follow the same step. Okay, first is that you need to click on your start button. All right, you can see where my cursor is. Then at this part of the laptop, you may see settings, which is this. Click on it. All right. But what of a situation where you don't have the settings here? Let me tell you what you do. Click on the start, all right? Then click inside this search and type settings, okay? This will bring up the settings app, okay? Let's just call it app, all right? So click on it. The settings page will open and you will have an interface that looks like this. By this side, there are so many tabs, all right? Or will I call it menu items, settings menu items. Click on Windows Update, okay? Then once you click on this Windows Updates, you'll be taken to this place, all right? So you click or you see Update button here. Here there are some updates available. That's why I have Restart Now so that my system will be fully updated. But if your PC needs update, you will see check for updates here. All right, just a button like this, check for updates, click on it. It will check if there are some updates that are available, it will download it. And once you restart your PC, you will get the update fully integrated into your laptop. So these are just the few steps and you get the job done. So if you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. Here we teach technology and finance. So subscribe to learn more. Leave a comment in the comment section. If you have further question that relates to this, just ask me in the comment section and I will answer you. All right. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.